Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial video. So in this video I will show you how I make my YouTube thumbnails, and don't forget to turn on your captions so you can understand the tutorial well. Let's start our thumbnail tutorial. Here I have opened Canva website in my Google browser and I have choose the thumbnail option. I want to make a thumbnail of babar azam song, so I first searched his image on the internet. You can pick any of the picture, but here I want his back photo. So I have finally selected a perfect back photo that is matching my video idea. And I have placed my photo in the Canva, and here, we have to go to the edit image option, and then click on the adjust tab and go to the blur bar and change it to higher. In my opinion 18 to 25 is best, but you can choose yourself which is best for your background or picture. Then go to any background remover app or website, then select your background or picture and drag into the background remover. In my thumbnails I use www.remove.com website to remove backgrounds. Copy and paste your image to Canva and crop other useless details. Zoom and adjust your image with the background, and then go to edit image and select shadows, then choose glow effect. Change the size to 5 to 8 and change the transparency to 100 and blur to 20 and keep the color to black, or you can change if it's not matching your idea or background. And then go to the text tab and search glow text and choose, then select the glow text and customize it to your song name or anything else, and then right click it and send it back and adjust your text and your front image with the thumbnail. And you can also increase your clarity of your front image by going to the adjust option and edit image tab. So here I have shown you guys how I make my YouTube thumbnail. If you want to see how I make thumbnails like this and this, so don't forget to like the video, subscribe my channel and comment on this video. Bye bye.